Hello and welcome to today's lesson by Academic English UK on academic dictogloss. What is a dictogloss? Well, a dictogloss is a classroom dictation activity where learners are required to construct a short text by listening and taking notes, which are then used to reconstruct the text. Dictoglosses are good because there are many key skills used in this type of lesson. So there's listening, note-taking, communication with other students, grammar and vocabulary development. So today we're going to do a financial crisis dictogloss. So it starts like this. Firstly, I'm going to activate schemata. So I'm going to ask you, what do you know about the financial crisis? What I'd like you to do is write down as many words as you can think of connected to the financial crisis, just from your knowledge. So, pause this slide and write down these words. Okay, so you should have come up with lots of words such as bonds, debt, mortgages, real estate, bubble, recession, as many as you can think of. You can pause this slide if you want to look at these words. Okay, part of this dictogloss includes these key words or this key vocabulary. So I'd like you to look at these words: financial crisis, obviously, mortgage, variables, legislation, fair trade, transparency, and subprime mortgage. If you don't know these words, please pause this slide and check them. Okay, to begin with a dictogloss, you need paper, and you need one part of paper to take notes, and the second part is to complete the paragraph. You can download this from Academic English/Dictogloss. What happens is that I'm going to read out the text 2 times at normal speed, and you, the student, is going to take notes. Then, on your own or in pairs or threes, you try to construct the whole text from your notes in 10, 15 or 20 minutes, and then I give you the original. Okay? So, I'm now going to read the text to you, and I'd like you to take notes on the words that I'm saying, okay? So you will hear the text 2 times. So here we go. The dictation. It has been argued that the 2008 financial crisis was significantly derived from insufficient subprime mortgage banking policies. The evidence was established through an interpretation of many variables and bank procedures, which identified a lack of legislation and inability to regulate innovative banking practice. The banking sector is now being regulated by the Economic Authority of Fair Trade to provide improved money lending formulas, principles, and transparency. Okay, I'm going to read it again. You can pause this presentation at any time. Okay. Dictation. It has been argued that the 2008 financial crisis was significantly derived from insufficient subprime mortgage banking policies. The evidence was established through an interpretation of many variables and bank procedures, which identified a lack of legislation and inability to regulate innovative banking practice. The banking sector is now being regulated by the Economic Authority of Fair Trade to provide improved money lending formulas, principles, and transparency. Okay. So using your notes, write the full text. You have 20 minutes. So can you pause this slide time yourself for 20 minutes. Of course, you can listen to the text again if you want to, and again just to add to your notes. After 20 minutes, I then provide you with the Dictogloss. And here it is. So again, pause this slide, read and check compared to your writing. Another important part of a Dictogloss is that we can look at the grammar and the vocabulary. So this is called noticing, and I'd like you to go back to the text and highlight 4 passive grammar structures and 15 academic words. So here's the text again. So perhaps in different colours, I'd like you to highlight the grammar structures, the passive ones, there's 4 of them, and 15 academic words, or what you understand could be an academic word. And these words come from the academic word list, sublist 1. Okay, I'm now going to reveal the answers. So in blue, the passive structures are has been argued, was significantly derived, was established, is now being regulated. And the academic words from the academic word list, sublist 1, are financial, insufficient, policies, evidence, interpretation, variables, procedures, identified, legislation, regulate, sector, authority, provide, formulas, principles. Of course, there are other academic words in here such as significant, establish, innovative, practice, transparency. Okay, that is an academic Dictogloss. If you go to our website, academicenglishuk.com/Dictogloss, there are another 12 for you to practice. Thank you for listening to my presentation today. Bye.